you've ever bought a home, you'll know this is a great deal. A home loan where you only have to put down 3%, pay no private mortgage insurance, and you don't even need a great credit score. And wait, it gets even better. This loan is not just available to first-time buyers.
It's like free money, right?
Yeah.
Here with more is Rachel Schwab, who's with the Equitable Bank, and Jeffrey Cooper, who's the director with WHEDA, otherwise known as the Wisconsin Housing and Economic Development Authority. Thanks so much for both of you being here.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, so describe how you both teamed up. How does the relationship between the two entities work?
Well, the Equitable Bank is a lender of choice for WHEDA, and if you come to the bank and you're looking for a home loan, our experienced loan officers will sit down, look at your financial situation, and see if WHEDA is a good fit.
Okay. See, I think it's good to understand how the relationship works, because WHEDA is a program that's offered through the Equitable Bank, and you're one of the lenders of choice for this program. Two programs that you offer are, one is the conventional advantage, the other is the tax advantage, right? Explain the difference in the basics of each one.
Sure. The WHEDA conventional advantage is a 30-year fixed-rate loan, 3% down payment. The borrower could take out a WHEDA Easy Close loan to cover that down payment and any additional closing costs, but the great thing about this is it has a reduced mortgage insurance requirement or a no mortgage insurance requirement. The consumer can take their pick. It results in, we think, the lowest monthly mortgage payment for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage in the state.
The lowest monthly mortgage rate, that's going to get a lot of people excited when they hear that. But is it for a certain customer, a certain person when they come to apply for this type of loan?
It used to just be for first-time home buyers, but in July of 2012 we opened it up. There is an income eligibility criteria, so borrowers will have to meet the income eligibility criteria. That varies by county. It's listed on our website at www.wheda.com. And the income limits are higher than you think. A lot of people qualify.
That's wonderful. What about the tax advantage program through WHEDA?
The tax advantage isn't a loan program. It's a tax credit. It's a tax benefit. And again, if you meet the income requirements, this program you have to be a first-time home buyer or a veteran or buying a property in a targeted area, and the targeted areas are listed on our website. But it's really an amazing tax benefit, because what it does is it takes 25% of your mortgage interest paid the prior year and converts it into a dollar-for-dollar reduction in your federal tax liability, a dollar-for-dollar tax credit.
Wow.
If you are a veteran or you're buying a home in a targeted area, it takes 40% of your mortgage interest, turns it into a dollar-for-dollar reduction in your federal tax liability. For most of our borrowers, that's a tax credit of anywhere between $900 and $2,000 a year.
That's a lot of money. Rachel, why was it important for the bank to team up with WHEDA? Why did you see this as being a great partnership for the Equitable Bank?
Well, you know, we're a lender, and we do a really good job at that. We were started in 1927 with the purpose of helping people find homes. That's still our mission today. So working with WHEDA and offering all the different loan programs that we have, we're able to help people realize their dream of owning a home. So it just makes sense. And
I think it's wonderful now that it's not just first-time buyers, that now it's open to people who it's not just their first home, which is wonderful. In terms of the Equitable Bank, I know your goal is to find a mortgage that works for the person that you're sitting down with. It's a case-by-case basis. Everybody's an individual. Everybody's credit score is going to be different. Everybody's income obviously is going to be different. So it's about tailoring it to that person, right?
Absolutely, and that's why, you know, we have so many really experienced loan officers, and they're so good at making sure that they understand your whole financial picture. Everybody doesn't fit in the same loan. You know, WHEDA is a great option for people, but for some people, you know, maybe they're going to do a conventional loan or you know, whatever fits their personal financial situation, and that's what you should have. You should have someone that works as your partner to help you decide what's the best fit for you and your family.
And you can determine if someone qualifies for a WHEDA loan or the Tax Advantage program?
Absolutely, and that's what's great about, you know, working with us, is that we'll help you navigate some of the things with WHEDA because we have this great partnership with them.
And when people realize they can use WHEDA, are they excited? What's the reaction? when they qualify.
It is so much fun to watch people, especially first-time home buyers, but anyone buying. It's so much fun to go to those closings and see people, get those keys, and it's just a really exciting thing. And WHEDA helps make that happen for more and more people every year.
Home
I was going to
ownership.
say in your previous segment, you were asking what was the best time of your life, and I remember buying a home, getting your first home, going in. That was a remarkable time. It really is, because you have a home. You can build on that home ownership experience, and to me, that was a really great time.
For sure, it's the American dream for a reason. So if people want to get in touch with a mortgage expert at the Equitable Bank, here's what you need to do, and you can find a loan that's exactly right for you by calling 414-777-4411. They're on Facebook and Twitter, and the website, theequitablebank.com, and the WHEDA website to find out more, again, is?
It's www.WHEDA.com, and if you're a homeowner or a prospective homeowner, make sure you click on the Home Buyers link. We have Take the WHEDA Challenge, and on that WHEDA Challenge is a number of things. We ask you to take that, print it off, and go to a lender and see if you can find a loan that offers you all those benefits. If you can, go with that loan. If not, go with the WHEDA loan.
Sounds great. Thanks, both
Thanks
of you.
for having
Nice to
us.
have
Thank
you
you.
here.